grotto. And if you look far off behind that red tree, you'll see Lake Grotto. This is a beautiful waterfall, rapids. It's about a half a mile long. And we hike down as close to the bottom as we can get. It's raining, so we don't want to go any further. The rocks are getting slippery. If you look off to the side, you can see how high the water can get. There's trees along the edge over there that have been floated in by the rushing water in the spring. Now that the water is lower, there's a pool of very slow-moving water there. The high water line is a lot higher than what we're looking at today. And that would be in the spring when we have our snow melt off and our spring rain. The sound is amazing. Right below my feet. Just about 5 feet down there. Water's just rushing by.